Writing a legal notice ad for the newspaper follows many of the same rules as any other type of ad. However, there is one main difference. The difference between a public or legal notice versus a regular classified ad is the standard call to action. Most ads use a call to action to encourage readers to buy a service or product. For a legal or public notice, this is not the same. Engaging them is the call to action for a legal or public notice. In legal and public notice ads, the goal is to inform or get a person to act. Sometimes the action may be for a person to attend a hearing, or to merely be aware of a change in their community. Often, this information can mean that a public or legal notice can be somewhat longer than a standard 4-line sales ad. When you begin drafting a legal notice ad for the newspaper, first and foremost, you want to ensure that the necessary information is clearly stated. This means that you need to include any dates, locations, or contact information. You must also let the public know how or if they can participate. Include information about any hearings, auctions, or public meetings available to attend. While you can abbreviate whenever possible, because legal notices are meant to benefit the general public, do not over-abbreviate. This way, there is less likelihood that the ad can be misunderstood. Once you have submitted your ad to the newspaper, request a proof of the ad. Proofs allow you to see how it will appear in the newspaper. The notice should indicate how participation at the meeting or hearing will relate to subsequent decisions and resolving issues. Someone with experience in writing public information should develop or review it. Is there an emphasis on why the event is being held, including issues, decisions, and effects? Is there a focus on the importance of the citizen attendance by explaining how participation will affect decisions? If you need to place a legal notice ad in the newspaper and you are still not sure of the steps to take to do so, it is important to make sure that you understand the goal of a legal notice ad. It is to get people to act and participate, and not to get people to buy a product. Because of this, legal notice ads can be somewhat longer, and therefore more expensive than a small 4-line classified ad. In many cases, it can be helpful to recruit an advertising agency that specializes in these types of advertisements to assist in the writing and placement of these ads for you.